we are interrupting Kate because she is just now putting together the Boardwalk's gingerbread house. It's not really a house, it's the boardwalk itself. It's like a microcosm of what we see outside, the same businesses. But what is so special about the gingerbread recipe that is here at the Boardwalk?
It's traditional German, so this dates back to like the 14th or 15th century. This gingerbread actually will never go bad because back in the day they used to give it to loved ones as gifts.
Okay.
So the gingerbread itself never dries out, never gets hard, and it just lasts forever. It's kind of disgusting when you think about it, but it tastes delicious.
So does the flavor of it change over time though?
Nope.
Nope. So if we were to buy this and forget about it and like a sweater and wait till next Christmas, we can still enjoy it.
Yes.
So,
and it won't mold either. It
not
will be
not
still
that you want to go for that as a goal, but
Right.
it's a nice option for that. But that's kind of cool. And what did you say the name of it was?
Gingerbread.
Just German gingerbread.
Yeah,
Just a German
It's
gingerbread?
It's a honey dough like they use.
So it starts with a honey dough that has to ferment for about 6 to 8 months. Then you make the dough, and then you let that sit for another week, and then you have gingerbread.
Wow. So they technically started what month?
We started with the gingerbread itself in June, and we built the structure in August, all the wood backing, and then we gingerbreaded for the past 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So this is not an overnight operation, even in the slightest. This is a major project overall. So very nice. Thank you, Kate. I appreciate it. It's beautiful work. And unfortunately, we got here so early that they're still putting it together. So they're still going to have some hidden Mickeys added a little bit later. Those should show up sometime tomorrow. All the lights should be fully installed. We interrupted Kate from actually putting them in just now.
Yes, so we'll come back.
We'll come back and check it out when it's fully put together. But check it out. If you come over to Disney's Boardwalk, you can check out their cool gingerbread display. And of course, their pop-up shop will be there as well, including their own form of gingerbread that you can buy and enjoy the treats as well. Now, of course, this is still being put together, and we've been told that even though it's not there yet, there's actually one more building that will be right here on the end as well. So most definitely we'll have to come back and check it out once it's fully complete.